And as always, all the items that I'm about to say today will be all listed in the description below, so make sure to check it out, the links to pick which one is your favorite or most needed. Welcome to another beautiful day episode. Today we're actually going to talk about a few of my favorite accessory for your scooter or bike, either or, but mainly this is going to be focused on the Apollo City Pro 2022 because of their unique handlebar design. So let's get started. One of the most important and safety of all is helmets. Please get a helmet. Even a regular bike helmet will do, or if you really want to get enhanced protection, get the MIPS, the MIPS. Here's a scene where I showcase the Smith one. Is one I recommend because you can use it both ways, either in ski and snowboard. Next up is the knee pad protections. Previous episode when I did the Apollo City Pro 2022, the range test and the hill climb test in beautiful Standing Park. Especially my friend Eva here, you can see the scene right here. She got all the helmet from top to bottom, even the hand guard, everything else, because you do not want to go high speed and then you accidentally slip out. You're gonna have a bad time. One of my favorite accessories as well, and I've been searching all over Amazon and the website and finally found out I believe it's one of the best foam mount there is. But of course, you know, this is just my opinion. It's up to you to decide. Let's show you how we set this up. So right here, we actually got the Nite Easy, N-I-T-E-I-Z-E. So if you want to set this up, all you have to do is squeeze these two bars at the bottom. And if you want to release it, see at the bottom here, squeeze these two and the foam pops out. It's really gripping tight. One of the reasons why I recommend this, because the Apollo City Pro 2022 is kind of unique handlebar. It is not round. It's almost like a rectangular-ish shape because it's actually adjustable, so it doesn't matter you have really thick bar or even a thin one, it works out great. So that's why I would definitely recommend this foam mount. This is the Nite Easy foam mount, 360 rotation, see right here? Just like that, and you can rotate if you want to. It's very important for safety, especially for night riding as well. You gotta have a really good light. Here we have is the Wastou, W-A-S-T-O-U, or Wastou. Back here you can actually see it's charged with the micro USB right here. This product will link in the description below. What I love about it is actually really bright. I also did a nighttime ride test, so just check out the scene right here. Because right now the time is around 9:30 p.m. We're gonna see at nighttime how good is the headlights. So let's turn it on. So you can see it's, I mean, on the video it looks not bad, but I think in real life it's actually dimmer than I thought. The lights here, attachment, put it on, way brighter. That's with the Apollo lights and accessory. Also, we're gonna test out the left and right with the signal turn. So let's take a look at nighttime. It is actually very bright, so that's actually really beneficial. Now, last one is kind of a specialty item. It's not for everyone, but if you have a DJI drone, will really help out, especially like this cool drone shot I'm about to show you. And here we go. Now, how I do it is because, you know, with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, link it will be right here if you check out the video here. They actually come with two versions. One is regular remotes, which is sell up for the bike or scooter mount. But then there's the RC one. Now the RC one is kind of tricky. I don't see a lot of people talking about it, especially mounting on your bike or even scooter. But hey, I finally found it. This got the Sunny Life, the ZJ400 bicycle holder for DJI RC. I finally managed to set this up. Now the tricky part is because the handlebar for the Apollo City Pro, it's a bit wide. Take off these pads, like two of them, just to even fit. So let's put this on the side. Itself, I did take some part off to manage fit it, and it is really tight. And you notice right away, it's compatible with the action camera or GoPro mount. Please do not lose it, because the size right here is actually where you screw it on it, and then the whole parts will be like that. Now you just mount it on the GoPro mount. But yeah, ta-da, here we go. You do those amazing tracking shots if you wish to do so, but of course do at your own safety. Oh yeah, one more thing forgot to mention, the drone tracking shot. It's all on DJI Mini 3 Pro, one of my most recommended travel drone in 2022. And again, I'll link in the description below for you to check it out. So you know how good music make or break your video, which is really important, especially if you're doing an intro, outro. And what I use is actually called the Epic Dynamic Sound. Now I love about it because like I was saying previously before, they have so many music to choose from. So make sure to click that link below to sign up for 2 months of free trial. This has been just a few accessories that I really recommend for your Apollo City Pro 2022 scooter, or it works with other scooter and e-bike or regular bike. So like I said before, all the product in this video will be linked in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and share. Really appreciate it. Any question at all, drop in the comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.